I'm finally doing a makeover of my daughter's bedroom and I'm really excited. And I want to share all of my DIYs on a budget with you guys, so stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So excited for today's video because I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be decorating my daughter's bedroom. I'm going to be making all of these projects on a budget using things from Dollar Tree and reusing stuff that I already have in my house. I hope that you can get ideas and inspiration from this video, and if you do, if you like it, give me a big thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. Let me know in the comments which of these DIYs is your favorite, and follow me on my other channel, JAZOMY Home. We are going to be posting a full makeover and all of like the before and after of my daughter's bedroom, and it's gonna be amazing. So make sure that you are subscribed because that video is coming super soon. And that being said, let's get started. Let's DIY together.
Okay, my loves, for this project you can use one of these crafter square large wooden shapes that you can get at Dollar Tree. You can get the flower one for this project, but instead of using that, I'm actually going to be using these old flowers that I have in my daughter's bedroom, and I had them for over like 7 years, I think. So I decided to do a small makeover on them. What I'm going to do is first is to remove the stem that they have. Once I have that part ready, this is how the flowers look like, and I really love the shape. I love everything about them, but they are very colorful and I really want these to look a little bit more neutral for my daughter's bedroom. So what I'm going to do is to paint them. I decided to first go with some spray paint, and I sprayed this outside, then let it dry. I used some white color, but it didn't work. Maybe it was because of the spray brand, I don't know, but it needs a better coverage. So what I'm going to do is to use my Waverly chalk paint in white color, and I'm going to give it a really good coat of paint, making sure that I paint the whole flower and that I cover all of the holes that the flower have. Once I'm done with the paint, this is how the flower looks like, and I really like it. Now I want to add an extra touch on the center of my flower, and I decided to use this type of texture. You can use something like raffia or maybe wicker or fabric or leather. This is what I have and I decided to use it. I'm going to make some small circles and then I'm going to cut them. Once I have the 3 circles for my 3 flowers, I'm going to stick that on the center of my flower. This is going to add a really nice touch and more texture to my project. You can create this same look on the flowers from Dollar Tree using different colors and texture. And yeah, this is how they look on my daughter's bedroom, and I really like it. I love the colors, the texture, everything about them, and I think it brings this boho look that I'm going for. For this next project, I'm going to use so many beads. You can get them from Amazon like I did, and I got them in 2 different sizes, or you can get them at Dollar Tree. You can check there, or maybe you can reuse a bead garland that you have at home. I'm going to use the beads in 2 different sizes, and I'm going to start putting them on a piece of wire, and I got this one from Dollar Tree, and I think I put about 25 beads on my wire. Then I cut the wire and then I make a small knot to make sure that they are secure. I'm going to be creating some wood bead curtain tiebacks, and this is going to be for my daughter's bedroom. Like I said, I'm going for a very like boho style. Their curtains are white, and I think these are going to bring the perfect touch. You can get them from Amazon too. They're inexpensive, but since I have all of the beads at home and the wire, I think this is a really good idea. You can also use some twine, but if you want your tiebacks to look very sturdy and nice on your curtains, you can use a thin wire like I did. I did a set of 4 because I have 4 curtains, and this is how they look on my daughter's bedroom, and I think it looks beautiful. It does the job, and I just use the beads that I have at home, and I think it's a perfect and cool idea that you have to try too. Okay, for this next project, you are going to need a photo frame. You can get one at Dollar Tree. You can use one that you already have at home. And what I'm going to do is to separate the glass part from the frame. And I'm also going to be using these dried flowers that I get from Amazon. And I love these so much. You can create so many things with these dried flowers. I have done projects before, so make sure that you check my other videos so you can see more inspiration about things that you can do with these dried flowers. But basically what I'm going to do on this video is I'm going to add some Mod Podge on my flowers, and I'm going to stick them on my glass. First, you have to figure out how you want your flowers or your leaves, how you want them to look on your project, and then you can start sticking them with the Mod Podge. I'm going to add a very small amount of Mod Podge on the flowers, and then I'm going to let this dry very well. Once it is completely dry, I'm going to put the glass on my frame, and I'm not going to be using like the back part of the photo frame because I'm going to be hanging these like this on my wall, and I think it's going to add a beautiful touch. It's going to have this high-end look, and it was so easy and simple to make. Okay guys, I'm really excited for this project because I think it's super different, but it's going to look amazing at the end. My husband helped me, and he take the blades out of the ceiling fan that we used to have in the living room. I'm going to move the ceiling fan to my daughter's bedroom, but I really want to make a change on them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the blade brackets from the blades, and for that I'm going to be using my drill. I'm going to remove all of the nails that it has, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color of the blades. You can maybe go with white or black or something like that, but if you want to make something super different, you can add more color on these. You can add color to your ceiling fan. My daughter's bedroom is like basically all white, so I think this is going to add the perfect touch. I'm going to be using some Waverly chalk paint in celery color, and I'm going to give my blades 2 really good coats of paint, making sure that everything looks nice and smooth and the paint looks perfect. And I'm going to let this dry very well. Okay, once the blades are dry, I'm going to add the blade brackets and all of the nails that it needs. And my husband is gonna help me, and he's gonna put the ceiling fan on my daughter's bedroom. I love the combination of like these brass golden color and the green touch of the blades. I think it looks beautiful, and it's something super different that you have to try that is going to add a perfect and fun touch to any room. For this project, I'm going to be using a bunch of yarn from Dollar Tree. You can go and check, they have so many beautiful colors that you can choose from. I decided to go with these very neutrals that I have, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a bunch of tassels. I think this is a very fun and DIY that everyone have to try. They look beautiful on any space, on a mantle. In this case, I'm going to add them to my daughter's bedroom, and these are mainly like the colors that I'm using to decorate her bedroom. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna start making my tassels. You can use like something to guide you. Like for example, I use this piece of wood that I have to make sure that all of the tassels have the same size, and then I'm going to make like all of the knots that the tassels need. I think I did about 25 rounds on each of the tassels so that they can all have the same size, but as you can see, the green yarn is a little bit different, it's thinner, so I did like the double 50 rounds. This is how all of my tassel looks like, and now I'm going to put them together on another piece of twine because I want to make like a garland. You can use these for so many things. You can even make like light fixtures with some tassels, but in this case I'm going to be making some garlands. I'm going to add all of the tassels on a piece of yarn, making a pattern. Once I have the pattern on my garland, this is how it's going to look, and you can do as many as you want. I did about 3 garlands with the tassels, and I put them on my daughter's bedroom like this, and this is how they look, and I really like it. I think this area was needing something really cute to pop out, and this tassel garland makes the job. It's fun, perfect for my 7-year-old daughter, and they're super easy and fun to do with yarn from Dollar Tree. Guys, I really hope that you like and that you enjoyed today's video, that you can get some ideas and inspiration on how you can decorate a room using things from Dollar Tree or reusing things that you already have at home to make all of your projects and your dreams on a budget. If you like this video, please say big thumbs up, make sure that you are subscribed, and that you check my channel JAZOMY home, because we are going to be posting like a whole room makeover and reveal, so stay tuned for that and make sure that you are subscribed to that channel. The links are going to be in the description box of this video and every single one. Thank you for the love and support, guys, and see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.